Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to sign up Temu account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now you'll have to go to the official website of Temu. For that, click on the search bar and type in temu.com, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Temu. Simply wait for the interface to be loaded. You can see over here initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here you'll be able to find the option for orders and accounts. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be able to sign in or register for your account. You'll be able to find various options for registration. You can either register with email or phone number, or you can also continue with Google, Facebook or Apple. So simply click on the registration method that you would prefer. Here I'm just going to enter the email. So click on the field of email. Now provide the email over here, or you can also provide the phone number if you want. Now after you enter it, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to enter the password for yourself. Simply create the password. Now after you create the password, click on this option register that you can see on the screen. Now a verification code will be sent to your email. Go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com. Now you can see over here Gmail will be open. Temu has sent me the email. Simply click on it. Now in this email, you'll be able to see the verification code over here. Memorize this code. Go back to the Temu tab. Now what you have to do is enter that code over here. Now you can see over here your account will easily be created. So like this, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. So that is how you create Temu account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.